Guys, labas muna kami guys.
Hi guys.
Punta kami ng bilyaran. Maglalaro muna kami saglit. Hello guys.
Maglalaro?
Comment po kayo guys. Unfollow.
Hindi guys. Hindi subscribe, hindi like, hindi follow, hindi share, hindi comment.
Mag-follow kayo guys. At i-share nyo.
Hindi.
Please.
Hindi.
Para marami na po akong followers guys. At mag-comment kayo. Anong masabi mo, Palangga?
Hindi mag-comment, hindi mag-share, hindi mag-subscribe, hindi mag-like, hindi mag-follow.
Bakit mo ako
Please.
kinakontra? Wala naman akong kasalanan sa'yo.
Please.
Guys, huwag kayong maniwala sa kanya guys ha. Please. I-follow nyo po. Para marami po kayong makikita. At please, pag-share naman po.
Kiss, kiss. Kiss? Sure.
Anong gusto mo? I-follow o ano?
Hindi, mag-follow.
Share po guys.
Hindi, mag-share.
Please guys.
Hindi, guys.
Huwag kayong maniwala dito guys oh.
Let's do like this. Mom, do like this.
Grabe ang init ito guys.
No, Ben. Touch your tongue like this.
Init. Grabe ang
Squeeze your-
init oh.
Squeeze your middle teeth with your tongue. And close. No, this is called beauty. The one how you
Anong
show
masasabi
your
mo sa
face.
mga followers and subscribers? Sige na.
Hindi mag-subscribe, hindi mag-like, hindi mag-share, hindi mag-comment, hindi mag-like, hindi mag-share, hindi mag-subscribe.
Pakilala ka nga kung sino ka. Sige.
I'm Brian Darwin Bika Blends.
How old are you?
6. Half 7.
What grade are you?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. Where are you from?
Philippines, where?
What's the name of your mother?
Remember that.
Merdit?
His name before is Death, and she got married to that, so his name is Mary Death.
What's the name of your father?
Crispy. Crispy. Yeah.
What's the name of your grandmother?
Which grandmother?
It's Lola.
Lila who?
Which one? What's the name of your two grandmas?
Oh, one is Auntie Lola passed away,
Uh-huh.
and the other one's Lola Mercy, your mother,
Uh-huh. And the other one?
Auntie Grace.
No, Auntie Grace is not your Lola. The mommy of daddy.
Oh, Lola Nina,
Yes.
and then. What's the last one? There's 3. Oh yeah, Auntie Lola. But she already passed away.
Yeah.
He's not in my family anymore.
She's still.
What's the name of your classmate?
Which classmate? How many classmates? A boy or a girl?
Girl.
Nia.
No. What's the name of your
Ah.
girlfriend?
Are you serious, my name?
What?
Not gonna tell you.
Not gonna tell. That's a
Secret.
secret.
Okay guys, thank you guys. I-share nyo guys please.
Hindi.